Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is episode 3 of the series where I blow up a YouTube Shorts channel from scratch to prove it's not luck. Today's video will be a very short video because this is an update video of the results we've got. And if you haven't seen the first 2 episodes, make sure you guys watch it because I've gone through the entire process of building this channel. And if you have any questions regarding growing your channel or if you want me to review your channel, comment down below. I'll answer all of your questions. So we've reached 26,000 subscribers while I was talking to you guys, and we've reached 7.5 million views. So if you know about the recent YouTube update, views don't matter at all. Engaged views does. So we need 10 million engaged views in order to get monetized on YouTube. And as you can see here, we've reached 6 million engaged views. So only 4 million engaged views are left. So we uploaded our first shot on 20th of March and today is 11th of April. So in less than 23 days, we've reached 6 million engaged views. Hopefully we get monetized within next week. First we'll go to analytics. Let me show you the 48 hours results. As you guys can see here, we've got around 900,000 views in the last 48 hours. And in the last 60 minutes, we've reached 42,000 views. So most of the views came from the part 7 and the part 1. First, let me show you the part 7. So this specific shot got 1.7 million views and the actual views we got is 1 million. And view to swipe ratio is 83% to 17%, which is really good. And the average view duration is 28 second long out of 34 second long shot. You can also see the graph here. And now let's move to the video which got the most amount of views, which is the part 1. So the part 1 got 4.7 million views and the actual views it got is 4.1 million views, which is quite amazing. The average view duration is 34 seconds. It was 36 seconds in the beginning and then now it have reached 31 seconds. The view to swipe is 72% to 27%. It is very low because it was the first video on this channel, and because of that reason YouTube was trying to figure out my audience. So as you guys can see here the graph, and now I'll show you how many views each and individual video got. So the first part we uploaded got 4.6 million views, the second got 300,000 views, third 100k, fourth around 300k, the fifth part got around 300k, the sixth part got 250k, the seventh part that I showed you guys got 1.7 million, and the eighth part got 55k, the ninth 45, 10th 37, and 11th 37, which was uploaded 2 days ago. And hopefully we reach 10 million views in a couple of days. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe and comment if you're facing any issues. I'll try to answer all of them, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.